Hi guys, it's me here, Blia, also known as Nha Chinong. Today I decided to do an eyeshadow tutorial for you guys, and all of the colors that I used are from my new palette, Natasha Denona Palette. It's a little reflective, so you can't really see, but the colors are amazing. They're super vibrant, they're super pigmented, and here's the look here. And the lashes that I'm wearing are from Lush Lash Inc. I want to say these are my second favorite. These are in the style Maui. My first favorite is the Daydream one. They're just super luscious. And I'm wearing their lip gloss. I forgot what color or what the name is, but it's super moisturizing and it's not sticky at all. So, you know, back in the days, you know, those lip smackers, nothing like that, boo-boo. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, go ahead and stay tuned. Bye. Alright guys, it's just me unboxing the palette from Sephora. I was super shocked when I opened this palette because it was so freaking reflective. I mean, it was just shining bright like the freaking sunrise, as they mentioned. If you love bright colors, I would say this palette is definitely for you. The colors were super amazing and pigmented, and $65 was a little bit pricey, but compared to her other palettes, it's nothing. All right, let's get started on this eyeshadow tutorial. So I know my fluffy brush is hella beat up, but you know what? It does its job. Anyways, the color I decided to use is called Citron. It is in the Natasha Sunrise Palette. And before I use it, I did use my eyeshadow primer from Morphe. And so all you have to do is dab a little bit and blend it and blend it and blend it on your eyelids. Okay, girlfriends? Alright, so now I am just working on my outer corner of my eyelids, and I decided to use the color Glory. It is super pigmented and the camera does no justice to the color. And so what you want to do is just kind of work in a circular motion and work on your outer corner, but you want to blend it in as well to the upper. I don't know if that makes sense, but you know, like a circle, okay guys? A little circle. All right, beautiful people, now to take this eyeshadow look to another level, you want to start creating a cut crease look. And how to do so? Go ahead and grab your favorite concealer and your flat brush. You're going to want to dab it on your lower eyelids like so. And if you think you have monolids and you're afraid to do this look, do it. Go ahead and rock it, all right? Alright guys, how to make your eyeshadow shine bright like a sunrise. So I decided to use the color Agate from the palette, and I'm putting that all over my lower eyelids like so. Alright, And to even intensify this look even more, I decided to use the color Clove on top with a little round brush to kind of outline it, I guess you can say. So I'm doing the same thing I did before with the color Glory. I'm doing circular motion, but I'm trying not to put any on my lower lid to affect the cut crease look. So go ahead and blend, blend, blend. If you can see, I have some on the outer side, but don't even worry. Nothing concealer can't hide. There goes my concealer, hiding it. All right, so I'm just kind of doing like a little V shape or a little, you know, flick of the wrist kind of look. I don't know why I just said that. All right, so don't forget about the under eye of your eyes. I know this may look a little crazy, but I am using the color Glory on my waterline, and then I'm going to also use the color Clove to get a little bit darker look there. And it looks like somebody beat me up, but I promise it's gonna look really good. Okay, beautiful people, you do not want to skip this step. You want to grab a fluffy brush and use the color Agate to really highlight your eyes. So you want to put it on that, I guess, section of your eyes like so. And then don't forget about your inner corner of your eyes. I swear, every time I put eyeliner on, it just makes me a whole different person. I mean, Patricia is just coming out. You know, I love it. And so, of course, what you want to do now is use your favorite eyeliner of your choice and do a little wing, do a big wing, do no wing, do whatever you want, just to really bring out this look. So before mascara, don't forget to set your beautiful face. All right, guys, here comes the Lush Lash Dot Ink lashes. The style that I'm wearing, or that I'm going to wear, is in the style Maui. All right, beautiful people. So to really sum up and tie up this look, I decided to go for a more natural lipstick or lip gloss kind of look. So I grabbed my Lush Lash Dot Ink lip gloss, and here's how it looks. Thank you, EXXTRAness, for tuning in with us today. And as always, stay extra.